Hello YouTube, this is part of the next stove project I'm making. So it has one of these on either side. See the one down here? It's for the stovepipe where it comes off the stove. It's kind of pushing it to the limit. I do have longer bolts. I could have a longer one here, but I got this vice grip against there, because this has to be straight. We're actually fitting these pieces to this. So they were a little oversized here and there, so we have to grind a little off. We're going to go spot weld this. We're going to spot weld it here, here, and right on the inside about here if we can. And the battery symbol. You ever notice your battery shows it's low when you go to start a video, not in the middle of one to tell you to change it? That's all you get is 1 minute. Look for the pictures.